machine.
Это машина.
It's a machine. Can I keep it?
No, you can't.
That's too ridiculous. What? Most ridiculous. Here, I'll help. Does it talk?
Что с тобой, а?
Oh my god, I thought the bird was talking.
Как мы ему можем помочь, а?
Can I name it?
Да, он такой красивый.
Naming it Rainbow, because it has rainbow feathers.
Доча, это, из-под низу бери его, как бы, да, вот так.
This. Rainbow! Rainbow gets hurt. Nope, Rainbow can't fly. Rainbow's hurt. Rainbow, it's okay. Yeah, Rainbow's hurt. Her name is now Rainbow. Okay, should we leave it? No, we're keeping. I'm gonna hold on. I'm gonna put Rainbow somewhere where she'll be safe. Oh, sick. She pooped on yours, Mom.
Да, они всегда.
Ew.
They always poop when they're scared.
Pooped on you.
That's why. On me?
No, on the.
They always poop when they're scared.
A bird just pooped. There we go.
Мне кажется,
On you.
Sideways!
куда мы его? Вверх ногами его нет. Мне кажется, там птички какие-то живут. Нет?
That's a machine, Mom. Vanya. Beep. Beep. Can I keep her?
Доча, я не знаю, она умрет у нас.
Okay, just put it somewhere safe. No, I don't know, because this place is really dangerous.
Safe,
The
right.
trees.
Somewhere in a bush?
It's bad. No, she'll just get eaten anyway. Can I keep her?
Maybe to the garbage can.
What?
See? It has things to eat.
No, Mom.